Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video and review into Huxworld. And today I got another bad watch face for you all to check out that I think is worthy of a download in the Gear Manager store. Now, I paid $1.10 for this watch face. Hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know if this is a download or I'll leave it right where it's at. All right, you all, with that being said, let's check out this watch face. The name of the watch face is called Watch Face 148 Orange 2. I like the look. I do like the design of the background for an analog watch face. Now, in the AOD mode, you're going to get a nice, luxurious look and feel out of this watch face. So if you're going to be dressing to impress over the weekend, then this might be the watch face you might want to put on your wrist. Now, looking at the watch face when it's on, of course, it's geared toward fitness. It's an analog watch face / digital, and you got a small digital time down at the bottom. I like the look of the analog hands. Not really premium, but definitely fun. And you get a nice second hand as well. Gonna get the step information, your heart rate at the top. You come over to the left, you're gonna get your date, the month. You're going to also get your battery info down at the bottom, and you do have a shortcut to go into making a phone call as well. Now, this is going to give you your step status completed as well, and you will get your miles walked or ran. So everything you need so far as fitness is concerned is right here, and you get a super casual watch face as well. So if you're going to dress up a little bit, this is a nice watch face to have on your wrist. Now, it is interactive. You can only tap into a few things with this watch face, and your heart rate is one of them. Of course, you can come over here to your step information. You can go into your step status. And if you tap right here, you can go in and set an alarm with this watch face, which I thought was pretty cool. But if I tap on the phone, I don't want to pull up any phone numbers, but you can make a phone call from this watch face. Now, if you worry about your battery percentage, it is right here. Now, I like the design in the background, and you can customize it depending on what you have on for the day or how you feeling. Double tap, and you can change the background theme to many different themes, and they're all nice. And this is a 24-hour watch face. I thought the developer did an awesome job on this super casual watch face. But the question is it worth the download? All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.